Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to check your PayPal limits. Now this is a question that is commonly asked, but there is no one answer to it. This may depend on every account, so let's go to the help center of PayPal, and here if you go to the help center, we can just go and search for limits. So here search for limits, and you will find all the search results here. So that may apply to your account. So the first thing is what's the maximum account I can send with my PayPal account. So here, as you can see, if you have a verified PayPal account, there is no sending limit on the total amount of money you can send. You can send up to $60,000 in a single transactions, but we may limit that amount to $10,000. So these amounts can also vary depending on your currency. There's no limitations if you have a verified PayPal account. Okay, so now here you will find other search results like why is my PayPal account limited? Now this may happen because you have maybe broke the rules of PayPal, maybe you are using it for fraud, or you have high risk on your account, maybe you have been hacked or something like that. So yeah, as I said, there are a lot of questions that are asked in the help section, so I advise you to read these articles. But as I said, you can't really know exactly how much limit you have in your PayPal account, like you can see on Pioneer or Wise, where they tell you exactly the limit. Now here, there is no limit. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.